Good afternoon. How are you? I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? Okay. Are you a student or are you working? I'm from Odisha. How did you know about it? Okay. I thought you are from also Odisha. I thought that kind of. Yeah. I miss guess that kind of before talking with you. Okay. Are you a student or are you working? Okay. Which department are you working? Wow, you are working in police department. How long have you been working? Wow, wow, so nice. You are a talent because after completing your graduation, you got that job. After, right, right. Then how do you feel right now? Because you are police. Hmm. Uh-huh. Yeah, I got it. Wow, so nice. Right now, Miss, you didn't go to office? Oh, yeah, I heard some sound. That's why I get to know you are at home. Okay, that's good. I, because you know when you were joined the department, that's when you didn't have also friend and you didn't know about rule regulation of that department. Yeah, I that's why you feel like what kind of job inside, right? Your job is not like you go to office and you sit 24 hours. Your job is a standing work. You always stand, right? And you protect the people and you do it this kind of, right? The office, right, 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 right. You are right. And how long have you been using this platform? 3 days. Wow. Do you want to enhance your English speaking or do you want to just interact with co-learner? Okay. I asked you, do you want to enhance your English speaking or do you want to just interact with co-learner? Mm. Right. Okay, I got to know from you when you were studying, that's when you didn't have atmosphere to interact with anyone in language, and you didn't have language partner to interact with them. That's why you want to enhance in this language. Right now, due to your professional life in future, if you get promotion, then it is a good for you to interact with higher authority. And if you attend any kind of higher meeting, that's when you can introduce yourself in English, and you can interact with the higher authority people, because all higher authority people not are your MP state, right? They are from different state in India, like a SP, right? They cracked in UPSC exam, and they are from different state in India. They cannot speak fluent Hindi. They can speak survival Hindi, but they cannot speak fluently in your Hindi, and they people speak in English sometime, right? Yeah, that's why, because we are living in India. India is a languages country. All state have different languages. We cannot learn all state languages. We can learn easily English, right? Because it is a global language, and English language doesn't require any degree, percentage, any score, any medium. It is a learnable skill. It is a means you can say learning skill. Anyone can learn, anyone can they speak. Only it is required determination, dedication, devotion, consistency, self motivation, habit, right? In these kind of ingredient required to enhance any language, right? But we only think practice mean we always consider speaking only is a practice, right? But we have to practice listening also, writing also, reading also. A language has five pillars: reading, writing, listening, speaking, and thinking. But well educated people, they take five pillars, but illiterate people they take three pillars: reading, writing, and listening, right? Not reading, writing, listening and speaking and thinking. Illiterate people, they can't read, write, but they can speak fluent English, right? Because language is just like a driving and swimming. If you want to learn how to driving, you have to sit on the driver's seat. If you want to learn how to swimming, then you have to jump into pond, right? These kind of, yeah, these kind of we have to practice like a driving and swimming. Anyone can do it, because we don't have, because we cannot blame others. We have to create English speaking atmosphere around us, right? It is a digital era. We are living in AI era, artificial intelligence era. Then we don't blame other and complain. We have to create English speaking atmosphere around us, right? And we can learn and we can practice. But in this day, we are well educated people. We always like a dignity and self esteem. We don't want to make mistake while interacting with others. We always think, if I be perfect in grammar, tenses, idiom, phrasal verb, and vocabulary, after that I will talk with someone, right? But it is a wrong. We have to talk with anyone. and it is a one technique. We have to help ourselves, no one can help you. Right now you have a vision, mission and destination. That's why you are learning language, right? And you are practicing, you are talking with others. Like that we have to do it with ourselves, and we have to make also to do list, right? Weekly to do list and half yearly to do list and yearly to do list. Then we can practice and we can do it. But we always think, I want to be good communicator, I want to be a fluent speaker, but we never make to do list. That is also one issue. And we always think practice means speaking, and we never focus reading, writing and listening. That's why it will take time to speak good English, right? Because with whom we interact, and we never convey our message, we never translate, means transfer our thought in front of them. That's why we are struggling to speak better English. Otherwise, it is a language anyone can learn, anyone can speak. Even though you see Delhi, Mumbai beggars, they can speak fluent English. Apart from well-educated people, tourist guider, they never go to school. They never learn in this language, but they got atmosphere. They always interact with tourist people, different country people. That's why they can speak fluent English apart from well educated people, right? But we always think, if I make mistake, what they people think about me, because I have a double degree. We don't lose our self esteem and dignity and our degree, right? That's why we don't have courage to speak in front of anyone. Even though you see who are double degree, they cannot speak in front of anyone single sentence, right? But illiterate people, they can speak better English in front of us, right? Yeah. That's why we people depend in this kind of platform, and who created in this kind of platform, we should gratitude that person, right? Because you cannot tell your friend and colleagues, I want to practice with you language. If I make mistake, you correct my mistake, and I want to practice with you. You cannot tell your friend and colleagues, right? That's why it is a better. No one can know you. I don't know you. You don't know me. What I am and who I am. But it is a better. I don't miss lose my self esteem. I don't lose my confidence. Right now, I am talking with you fluently, right? Fluently means I make mistake. I'm not telling I'm a fluent speaker, but because I have a confidence while interact with you, because I know you are also language learner, I am also language learner, right? I don't know you personally and you don't know me personally. If you tell me you are not a good speaker, then I don't worry about it. I tell you, it's okay, I'm a language learner, I want to enhance my English speaking, I want to build my confidence, that's why I am involved in this platform, right? Then we don't motivate, we don't underestimate our confidence also. We should not demotivate ourselves, we motivate ourselves. One day definitely I can speak good English, right? I can speak good English. We think this kind of motivation, then definitely we can speak good English. It will take time. Language always takes time. No one can get overnight. Even though you see who are good speaker, they are also doing hard work and they are still practicing, right? Because it is a language. If you never practice regularly, you may lose your fluency and confidence. That's why we have to speak 10 to 20 minutes regularly daily. Then we can keep on touching English language through platform and good way and fluent speak. Yeah.